Hello everyone, welcome back to Blusheeld. In today's video, you will learn how to create custom password list using CUPP, the Common User Password Profiler, in Kali Linux. This tool is widely used during penetration test and security assessment to generate, target, password dictionaries based on the victim's information, instead of relying on only large generic word list based on user information. So let's get started. First, open the browser and search for cupp.github.com. Click on the first link. You can see all the tool details. CUPP stands for Common User Password Profiler. Copy the code from here. Now open the terminal and go wherever you want to download. I am downloading in Downloads. Next, type the command git clone and paste the copied code and hit enter. The tool is downloaded now. Go to CUPP directory by the command cd cupp. Now you can see all. To run the tool, type this command. You can see all the options available, what you can do with this tool. Now type this command. Here, you can see it's asking first name of victim. You can give the name. And next, surname of the victim, the victim's nickname, and it's asking all details one by one. Give the details what you know. If you don't know, just skip it. Do you want to add some keywords about the victim? That? Yes. Do you want to add the special characters at the end of the words? Yes. Do you want to add some random numbers at the end of words? Give yes or no. Now, you can see, this is the important lead mode. Leaked models, for example, I'll tell you. See, I'm writing to shield. See, I've written the E in 3, so like this. And one more example. And written the L as a 1 and E has a 3 like this. I am selected as. Now it's asking to print the passwords with the name blue.txt. Hit enter. Now you can see the word list is making according to your victim. It will take some time. The generated word list can be used in pass for strength, evaluation, and security auditing tools. When you have authorized it to test the target system, always ensure you have written permission before conducting any password testing. Use realistic keywords that user commonly choose. Don't make the word list unnecessarily large. Combined CUPP with other password auditing techniques to evaluate password policies. That's how you can create a custom password word list using CUPP. The video is helping you understand the basics of password auditing. Please like the video, subscribe the Blusheeld, and turn on notification for more cybersecurity tutorials. Thanks for watching. And I will see you in the next video.